Reflections on Sciatic Surgery and More, or Nurse, hand me the knife. Sensei Alex here, and I am happy to announce that last year's back surgery was a complete success, and my sciatic pain is gone. The relief was immediate, and while there is lingering surgical discomfort, it is steadily fading. Looking back, I realized that my sciatica originally stemmed from a sledding accident in January 2003. My orthopedic surgeon disagrees. Although chiropractic treatments initially helped restore my mobility, the root cause of the problem persisted unnoticed for years, leading to a gradual decline in my mobility. Another contributing factor to my reduced activity was the concurrent development of bone spurs in both big toes, which needed surgery in 2012. Bone spurs hurt. Over time, my symptoms slowly worsened. When I resumed weightlifting in the fall of 2017, the pain intensified and began to affect my sleep. By 2024, the pain had become so severe that it limited my ability to teach and restricted my participation in any physical activity. I tried various treatments, including physical therapy, which unfortunately made it worse, and an epidural injection that only provided brief relief. After working through the necessary insurance protocols, I qualified for surgery. My primary physician's own positive experience with the same procedure encouraged me to move forward with the operation. The results have been excellent, and my recovery is nearly complete. I am once again able to teach, although I do include rest days between sessions. As I am just past the 1-year mark, I am optimistic about my ongoing progress. Thank you for allowing me to share my journey. I am deeply grateful for my renewed health and energy, and I am eager to embrace new opportunities with confidence and enthusiasm. Moving forward, here's the plan. I've been given a second chance to move, train, and teach, and I am not going to waste it. I am starting a series of short daily videos, each one focused on simple, practical techniques that you can apply right away. If even one of these helps you get a little sharper, a little stronger, or a little more confident, then we're doing something right. Let's keep improving together. As always, remember to protect yourselves at all times. And if you're getting value from this, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Sensei A, out.